How to block spam orders in Shopify mobile. To help block spam orders in the Shopify mobile app, open the app and tap Store. Then go to Settings and select Checkout. Scroll down to manage checkout settings and make sure you've enabled tools like email verification and CAPTCHA to prevent bots from submitting fake orders. Next, go back to Settings, tap Payments, and consider enabling manual payment capture. This allows you to review orders before capturing funds. For even better protection, install the Shopify Fraud Filter app from the Shopify App Store. Once installed, you can create custom rules to block suspicious orders based on things like email address, IP location, or order amount. While spam orders can be blocked entirely, these steps significantly reduce your risk and give you more control over who can place orders on your store. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.